హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, వెల్కమ్ టు అవర్ ఛానల్ అన్స్టాపబుల్ అచీవ్మెంట్స్. ఈరోజు మనం టెట్ 2024 హెచ్జిటి ఎగ్జామ్ పేపర్ యొక్క క్వశ్చన్ ఆన్సర్ చూసుకుందాం. క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 61. ఇట్ ఈస్ డిఫికల్ట్ టు గెట్ దేర్. ఐ విష్ ఐ డాష్ ఏ కార్. ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ ఆప్షన్ 4 హ్యాడ్. ఇట్ ఈస్ డిఫికల్ట్ టు గెట్ దేర్. ఐ విష్ ఐ హ్యాడ్ ఏ కార్. క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 62. సీ డాష్ హియర్ బై టుమారో. Answer is option 4 will have come. She will have come here by tomorrow. Question number 63. Choose the grammatically correct sentence from the following. Answer is option 2. I have some work to do. Question number 64. Choose an example of poetic device commonly used in short poem. Answer is option 2. Rhyme scheme. Question number 65. Choose the punctuation mark used to indicate position or contraction. Answer is option 1 apostrophe. Question number 66. Choose the correct sequence of words in which they appear in the dictionary. Answer is A, C, D, B. Special, specify, spectator, speech. Question number 67. Select the linker that shows comparison. Answer is option 4 correspondingly. Question number 68. Select the compound sentence from the following. Answer is option 4. He enjoys reading books and she likes watching movies. Question number 69. Select the superlative form of the adverb quickly. Answer is most quickly. Question number 70. We enjoyed ourselves at the party. Identify the type of pronoun of the underlined word in the sentence above. Answer is option 3. Reflexive pronoun. Choose the phrasal verb that means to quit or surrender often after a regular effort. Answer is option 1 give up. Question number 72. Choose the sentence type that gives instructions or requests. Answer is option 4 imperative sentence. Question number 73. He said to me, how long will you stay here? Choose the indirect speech for the sentence above. Answer is option 2. He asked me how long I would stay there. Question number 74. Diabetes dash very common among people who consumes too much fast food. Answer is option 4 is. Diabetes is very common among people who consume too much fast food. Question number 75. An expression used to convey praise. Choose one word substitute for the expression above. Answer is option 1 compliment. Question number 76. Choose the correctly spelled word. Answer is option 3 commonality. Question number 77. We are aware always of the pain and horrors of war. Choose the synonym of the word aware. Answer is option 2 informed. Question number 78. He lived alone, was not a mixer, had few friends and didn't like spending time in ideal chart. Choose the antonym of the word like. Answer is option 1 dislike. Question number 79. The following is not technique of reading. Answer is option 4 extrapolating. Question number 80. The vocabulary we use to communicate through spoken form or written form is. Answer is option 1 active vocabulary. Question number 81. Planning the blackboard work in a systematic way comes under. Answer is option 2 pre-teaching stage. Question number 82. A textbook should dash the teacher's instruction. Choose the option that fits the blank. Answer is supplement. Question number 83. Read the following passage. The city streets bustled with life as cars honked their horns and pedestrians hurried along the sidewalks. Neon signs illuminated the night sky, casting a colorful glow on the throngs of people below. Amidst the hustle and bustle, street performance entertained crowds with music and acrobatics, adding to the vibrant energy of the urban landscape. Select the correct statement based on the passage. Answer is option 4. Street performers added pleasure to the urban scene. Read the following passage. The city streets bustled with life as cars honked their horns and pedestrians hurried along the sidewalks. Neon signs illuminated the night sky, casting a colorful glow on the thrones of people below. Amidst the hustle and bustle, street performers, entertainment crowds with music and acrobatics, adding to the vibrant energy of the urban landscape. Choose the correct statement based on the passage. Answer is option 4. The urban landscape will full of life or activity. Question number 85. One of the following makes the class lively and learners practice language element lively and interestingly. Answer is option 2. Use of audio visual aids. Question number 86 is sentence structure can be practiced by. Answer is option 1. Substitution tables. Question number 87. The tiger strategically attacks dash from behind. Answer is option 2. From behind. The tiger strategically attacks from behind. Question number 88. Select the sentence that contains a subordinating clause. Answer is option 3. After we finish dinner, we can go for a walk. Question number 89. Choose the sentence in which may is expressing possibility. Answer is option 2. It may snow tomorrow. Question number 90. Choose the correct statement regarding the definite article the. Answer is option 3. The is used to refer to specific nouns already known to the listener. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thank you, friends.